If you've been furniture shopping at any point in the last 50 years, then you've probably considered buying something from Ashley Furniture. But like anything that's really popular, Ashley sometimes gets a bad rap. The most common question that I get as a furniture expert is Ashley Furniture any good?
Well, I didn't have an answer, so I decided to take matters into my own hands and go down to the local Ashley Homestore right near my house in Burbank, California. And what I found inside will shock you. But another question people have is, how are they so darn successful?
It's the fact that they're able to offer extremely affordable furniture at great price points. And over the years, Ashley's done so many things to improve their quality, to stay trendier and more in style, and I needed to see it for myself.
And stay tuned until the end, when I dismantle an entire sofa with my bare hands.
Robbie!
My first stop is meeting with Robbie, my host for the day. Robbie is the regional visual merchandiser for Ashley, and his job is to make sure that everything inside all the stores in his territory look amazing.
You know, as a company, we are always looking for, what's new, what's hot out there. So we design it, we build it, we put it in the stores. And yes, we want to stay up with the trends.
Why do you have $1 on your name tag?
I'm glad you asked me that because we are the #1 on financing.
So anything you buy here, you can basically take 5 years to pay it off. That is a very long time to have to finance something, which is great.
Yeah.
Okay, can you show me the best-selling couch that you guys have here? Because it may not be exactly what people would think.
Yes, I agree with you. Let me show you where's the best seller.
Okay. This is one of the hottest selling styles. It looks like a Maserati in here. It looks like the interior of a very fancy car.
We have the massage.
This has a massager? Oh.
So I would like to show you. We have a beautiful best seller. We can make it smaller, we can make it bigger.
Okay, count us down.
All right. 1, 2, 3.
This is very nice.
Yeah, it's really
Ashley has had some question marks when it comes to overall quality, and that's kind of the reason that I'm here. They have some lower price point stuff in the store, sure, but they also have some higher price stuff that's of higher quality as well.
But I want to see the pieces that people gravitate for, that are really looking for the upper end that Ashley offers. Can you show me a couple?
Of course I can.
So this is a bestseller. Like, is it available in other configurations?
You can make it bigger, add more pieces on one side or the other, however you want. So the reason it's soft and plush is because it has a high resilience foam and it's wrapped in feather.
How often do you have to wake people up after they're sitting on this? Did people actually fall asleep on this?
Yeah, they even snore. I've heard.
This feels like something that would not be cleanable.
No, definitely our premium collections like this are strong quality, strong material. It's easy to clean as well.
So this is obviously a version of the Restoration Hardware famous design, the Cloud Couch. And this is made with genuine leather, correct?
That's correct.
How many cows do you think it would take to make a leather sofa like this?
Probably 1, 2.
1 to 2 cows. That would be my guess too.
It seems like the latest trends are what Ashley is all about these days. They are relentless in their pursuit of staying relevant in their stores.
And speaking of which, I have guided us over here to one of the newer pieces that's on the floor here, which is very, very on trend.
You have a gigantic house, we can give you 15 pieces. You have a smaller house, you can do it with 3 pieces. And the best part is the fabric is high performance. So sometimes you're winding down, you get a glass of wine, you drop it on the cushion.
Why are you telling me this? Wait, do I just seem like that kind of guy?
You're not, but I am. So that's,
There's other brands that have sort of popularized this. Lovesac is one of them. Basically, this is what they sell. They sell beanbags and they sell this. It's what people want. This has hidden storage. This has got a stereo system to pump some crazy tunes.
To me, the heart of every great furniture store that I've been to is the people that work there. The people are vital to their operation. They are the guides for the customers to find furniture that really fits their home and their style. And they are extensions of the customers themselves.
What I love about Ashley is that they give you the tools to improve yourself, to get better. I started as a simple merchandiser, but then I became a designer. There's heart in here. There's a lot of family values.
Great style? Check. Great pricing? Also check. But when it comes to quality, for me to give our official couch stamp of approval, I needed to dive a little bit deeper to see what's on the inside.
Really nice give here, so I'm pretty interested to know what the cushions are made of. Let's find out. So there's, first of all, removable cushions, which is a sign of a higher quality piece. This is a very, very high quality zipper, hopefully no one. And inside, pretty high density foam core block, and it's wrapped in what's called Dacron. So this is nice. Sometimes you open these up and then that foam, that cotton stuff just starts flying all over the place. Not the case here. Foam, do not eat. I'm making quite a mess here. I really hope they don't mind that I'm screwing up their store a little bit. Really hope there's no managers around. Solid block here, very well attached. On the bottom, there's a dust cover here. I gotta say, overall, pretty much the same things you would expect with a higher end sofa that you would find at a Crate & Barrel, West Elm, or a Pottery Barn. I'm actually really pleasantly surprised. Sorry about that.